To connect a Redmi Buds 6 Active with your Windows PC, first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this charging case. And now, on the right side, there's a small button that you will have to click and hold and wait until this indicator starts blinking, just like this. So now we can release this button. Remember to keep both earbuds inside with this cover open. Now put it close to your PC and go to the settings. In the next step, go to the Bluetooth and devices. It is located on the left side. Click on this switcher to turn on Bluetooth and select to add device. Right now select Bluetooth device, so as you can see it's like audio devices, keyboard, mouse and stuff like this. And select Redmi Buds 6 Active from the list by clicking with the left mouse button. If it doesn't work, if you don't have the Redmi Buds on the list, you will have to just be patient and wait. Sometimes it takes like 20 seconds, 30 seconds or even 1 minute of waiting until this device will appears right here. But if it still doesn't work, you can simply restart Bluetooth on your PC by using this button and enter for the pairing mode one more time. So just keep trying, it will definitely works. And now you can click done and it is finished. Thanks for watching.